I'm Dr. Simon Clark.
And I'm Dr. Shini Somara.
And we're glad you found our message.
Please listen closely, because we've got less than a minute
to tell you about the new podcast from DesignSpark.
Before this trailer self-destructs.
It's called Mission Responsible, and each episode will interrogate a top expert.
This is where it starts. This is the beginning of the third revolution of aviation.
Head out on a field mission.
Second of all, whenever you do use the robot, make sure you don't slam down.
And take on a challenge from Agent Cameron at D Branch.
Keep your nerve, guys. You're in the final minute.
Your mission, should you decide to accept it,
is to join our quest to become technology spies.
And explore how responsible engineering can build a better planet.
Talking of which, we need to tell you the secret protocol to give access to the audio files.
First, head to your favourite podcast platform and search for Mission Responsible.
Secondly, and this is very important, you need to make sure to press the subscribe button. Otherwise... we'll have to leave another exploding message.
Now, where did we park our invisible car?